Guess who got their tax return? I'm just kidding, I had to pay in. But I feel a lot better after buying this. What's up, everybody? My name is Scott and you're watching Kentucky Ballistics. And you know, I've had this old limo here for quite some time, and honestly, it's seen better days. Parkour! Well, you know, I've really grown fond of having a range limo, and I thought I would upgrade this year. So I give you my 2000 Lincoln Town Car Stretch, equipped with everything your heart could possibly desire when it comes to an outdated luxury vehicle. I have bull horns zip tied to the hood. We have moldy, ripped leather seats and a moldy steering wheel, and it leaks some water. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it, and I am very excited to have it here on the range, other than the fact that I kind of already broke it. Well, you know, now that I have a new range limo, I need to figure out what to do with the old range limo. Oh, let's get the fire extinguisher. And you know, I thought about putting it on Facebook Marketplace, but I did not really feel like dealing with all the messages.
Is this still available?
Yes.
Is this still available?
Yes.
Is this still available?
Yes.
I'll trade you my old PlayStation 1 with 15 games and a stick of bubble gum.
No.
Is this still available?
Yes.
Is this still available?
Yes.
I don't want it.
So instead, I think the proper send-off for this limo is a one-gun salute with the 950 JDJ. If you're new to the channel and you have never seen the 950 JDJ, let me introduce you real quick. This is my 950 JDJ Fat Mac. There are only 3 in the entire world. This guy right here weighs 50 pounds, is producing 300 pounds of felt recoil, which is absolutely bone crushing. Also, this thing is throwing a 2,500 grain bullet at 2,400 feet per second, producing 25,000 foot-pounds of muzzle energy, which is absolutely awesome. The only thing that's more awesome than that is subscribing to Kentucky Ballistics. Do it! You know, every good meal has an appetizer, and I think before we get to the main course, maybe we need to have just a little bite of something else. So, we are gonna blast this lawnmower with the 950 JDJ, see what we're working with. You know, they say it's always good to warm up before you work out, and when you shoot the 950 JDJ, it is a workout. So before I do, I'm gonna warm up with some 458 lot out of a CZ 550. These are 500 grain rounds, and this will give you something to compare the 950 JDJ recoil to. Okay, let's get this party started. Feeling good. How about another? That's feeling better. I think I need one more. One more. Yep. Feeling good. Feeling real good. Let's get our mower started. It's been a little while since I shot this thing. I'm not stalling. I'm not. I'm just savoring the moment, you know? Okay. All right, I'll do it. Here we go. I think I hit a little low. These things aren't cheap. I can't really afford to miss. All right. Aim a little higher. Here we go. Oh my. I feel like that one hit a little harder. I think there's a little extra gunpowder in that one. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Okay. Looks like the first shot was right there. So I was aiming here and I hit a little low. So the second shot I aimed about here, we hit there. This is good information to have before shooting the car. So let's flip this thing over. Actually, let's look back here. Looks like I blew completely through the lawnmower engine. There's actually a piece of something. But yeah, we made it all the way through. That first shot, I hit right there and almost took out the shaft. I would definitely say that's a good appetizer. I definitely have a good idea of what we're gonna do now when we hit an actual car engine. So now let's go set up the limo and get to it. It's telling me the battery voltage is low, it's low on fuel, check engine lights on. It has no idea. 2500 grain, 950 JDJ. That limo is not gonna know what hit it. Oh, shot number 3, here we go. Oh, let's get the fire extinguisher. Oh my goodness. Oh no, here we go. Let's see here. How's this work? Oh, other way. Safety first. All right. Well, I don't think we could have asked for a better result. Oh no, here we go. Let's see here. How's this work? Oh, other way. Safety first. Oh, all right, GoPro got a little hot. Whoa, it's hot, it's still recording. How you doing, buddy? You made it. Welcome back. That, folks, is why you always keep a fire extinguisher handy, because you never know when you're gonna need to put out a fire after disabling a limo with the world's most powerful sporting rifle. I don't think I've ever had quite a reaction like that when shooting a vehicle. Normally, you shoot the vehicle and it just dies. I've never had one just burst into flames immediately. Oh, it brings me such joy. I think something's wrong with me. I shouldn't get this much pleasure out of destroying things. So it looks like we hit right here. I nicked just the top of the radiator, then blew through this piece of the frame here. then blew through my valve cover, then through the intake, and then we hit the firewall. And that probably explains why it burst into flames, because we punctured the firewall. Isn't that where all the fire stays? I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm not a mechanic. I'm also not a gunsmith. But if you're interested in pursuing a career in firearms technology, you should check out Sonoran Desert Institute. There's a link in the description down below. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Get on the ground! Sorry. Had a little flashback for a moment. Went back to my old career. It appears we blew out our radio. That definitely was not like that before. Oh, man. Whoa! Tell you what, that 950 JDJ is nothing to shake a stick at. That's why I rhino-lined my truck. All right, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to check me out on all other social media platforms. Links to those can also be found in the description down below, along with a link to KentuckyBallistics.com, just in case you want to pick up a shirt. And as always, my name is Scott. Thank you so much for watching Kentucky Ballistics. I'll see you next time.